How to have a long top but shorter sides. That is the topic of today's video, and I'm glad that a viewer asked me this question, because typically when you're having the top much longer, right, and the sides are shorter, it's like a pretty strong undercut, a severe disconnection. And there are people who want to have, right, a lot of length throughout the top, or even, even this amount of length, like say to the bottom of the lip, but they don't want to shave the sides. They don't want a severe undercut. So the first thing that you need to realize is that find somebody who understands how to cut a haircut like this, okay? Because this involves a lot of shaping and understanding how the hair moves and how it grows. What I usually do when I'm cutting a haircut like this, I ask, how long do you want the top to be? So that's the first thing you need to take into consideration and figure out, how long do you want this very, very top of your hair to be? And also keep in mind, always, 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 you want the front, meaning this part right here, to always be the longest point, right? You don't ever want to cut this shorter going back this way. It's a whole different type of haircut. This is focused on how to leave the top longer with shorter sides, as you can see into here. So this length, right, it comes to about right here. However, this length travels all the way down past it. Now, the next thing is, after you understand how long you want your hair, and keep in mind, you could also get a haircut to have it grow out into this. And I did a video on that. My last video was how to grow out your hair into a certain type of haircut. You can actually trim down the sides and leave the top longer. So what you need to really understand and do is create and establish a baseline. How long or how short do you want the sides and the back to be? For example, if you were to cut the length right in through here, as you can see, right, there's the length, you can bring everything down section by section to this one point in through here, or you can leave it a little bit longer like an overhang. And then as we get down more and more section and more hair into this, what we can do is then we'll have all of this hair hanging straight down this way. This is where you make the magic happen. This is where you actually put in that base and that strong line to create the length on top. So remember, this hair right here will travel all the way down to wherever it wants to, and that's where the length is. So in this particular situation, in this mannequin, here's how long the hair is, and the tip of the ends will go all the way down to right here, right? So it's just past where this length is at the sideburn area. You pull this down, we've got it longer right here, and then it goes shorter slightly into a longer point this way, so that when you brush the hair back, again, this is going to be the longest point, and it's going to really help control the hair. Another benefit of having it longer right throughout the front is that it adds extra weight to keep the hair flatter to the head and more controlled. Again, it's going to help you with the flow and the ease of this type of style. So when you bring all of this down to one area and you cut it, you're creating a one-length shape. Then what you can do is you can bring all of the hair back up, and even if this is a little too long, what you can do is go back and have the stylist or barber, whatever, just bring this up a little bit while leaving this longer. So we're combing this down, and then what you can do is bring this all the way over and create almost like a separate haircut or disconnection. It's not an undercut, but what's going to happen is when you brush the hair back, right, this is going to be shorter in through here, as you can see. We'll get a little closer. This is going to be shorter right in through here, and then all of this is much longer. And then again, when we bring this hair down, you could see that you've got that length right into here. And again, the back really varies on however long or short you want it. It's up to you. But the key is to establishing the side length, the back length, and then how long you want the top. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Don't forget, use code YouTube20 for 20% off and free shipping on orders over $50 in the United States. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon.